Hello hopefuls, I hope you all are doing great. I hope you're staying safe, and I hope my prayers for all of you all, especially if you are a essential employee, that you are staying safe and everything is going great on your end. If you're bored, I hope you're just spending some time with your family or finding something to do in this time. So I did go out to ALDI, and while I went out, I asked Mama if she needed anything while I was in there. I mainly curious to see if they had any meat. So I had a Harris Teeter order that was supposed to be delivered by Shipped, and she called me this morning, and I was disappointed because she just named all these things they did not have, and it was just about my whole order. But I'm glad it was canceled or I canceled it. I told her go ahead and cancel it. It probably was maybe 2 things off the entire list, y'all, and some of them was bakery items. They didn't even have like the ginger ale that we like. It was crazy. So also what prompted this outing was I didn't feel like cooking, so I took the boys on a trip, or I guess a field trip. They did not get out the car. I repeat, I am a helicopter parent, so if you're new, if you're oldie but a goodie, you know how I am about my boys. So they did not get out the car. They have not been, the 2 youngest ones have not been out the house in 2 weeks since school been out. They can go outside, but of course they got their face in front of a tablet or a video game, and I told them tomorrow we're going to work in the yard, and it's going to get warmer tomorrow, and clean off the patio and stuff like that, so we can go out there and see it. And I'm going to make them go out there and see it. In the front we have like a yes, I can show you. We have like a basketball goal. So the kids, they haven't really, at first they were congregating at the basketball goal, but they are not really doing it now. It's like might be one kid that comes down here, and he usually comes by himself. So anyway, we can sit on the front porch, but I don't know if the kids would be tempted to come over. They may not be now because they're trying to, let people know the social distancing and the importance of that. So anyway, but in the back it's secluded. Our neighbor put up a fence, and so we can just, fix that up, cut the yard, and, enjoy ourselves back there in the back. And it's going to warm up tomorrow. So anyway, I took them out the house, not to get out the car. I went into ALDI. Every time I go out, they always stay home. Y'all, Cottrell haven't even went back to work, and he works at Walmart. And I haven't even, but he still has his college work to do online, so I don't want that to interfere. He only supposed to work when he has breaks, and I know this is a big break, but Cottrell has asthma, and I'm just not feeling it, y'all. So anyway, that's my little spiel. But they did not get out the car, and I treated them to Burger King. We were going to go to Wendy's or McDonald's, and went through the drive-thru. Also, mainly to look for meat, so I don't know if I said it or not. They did have some. You can't be picky and choosy, but it was some stuff that I purchased before. So I got the Black Angus steak. From Mama, I called her. She wanted that kielbasa sausage, the turkey. She wanted a pepperoni pizza, because she was going to order one from Papa Murphy's, but we didn't know if they were still working. We didn't call them or nothing. What else did she want? I forgot her fig bars, y'all. I forgot her fig bars. She wanted some fig bars. And I got her a pound of Chubb ground beef that they have frozen, and some fries. And that's all I can remember right now. So anyway, I picked up 2 of the Black Angus. They're $6.99, kind of expensive. I spent $110, y'all, just in these 2 bags, and they're not even packed. I got some uncured turkey bacon. I got 2 of the cube steak. And most of these meats were kind of high to me. So usually I only get like stuff like this. I get chicken, fish, ground beef most of the time, and I only get stuff like this like if I want something different. So I believe too what prompted our outing is that we're about to, I don't know if you call it lockdown, but in shelter in place. So either my county is definitely about to do it. They already did Durham County, which my husband's family, where my husband is from, they already did that today. And I think the governor is going to do something for North Carolina soon, because you can tell by the way he said it in the press conference. Okay, y'all, so you guys know I don't buy this a whole lot, mainly because of the sticker price, but it's so much chicken in here. You can make this at least, well, my size family, at least 2 meals, maybe 3 depending. And let's see, this is about, yeah, this is like 6 pounds. So y'all, I saw it sitting there. They didn't have any regular ground beef. That was my eyes first went to. Then I backed it up and it wasn't a lot of chicken. Wasn't any ground turkey, but I have ground turkey. I do have some meats, but I was just a little worried if we didn't have to, like, if we had to stay in the house, because I can stay in the house for days and days and days. But I just wanted to have options. That makes sense, more options. And if it gets real bad, I didn't want to have to leave out the house no more. So I picked this up, y'all. Y'all, people are something else. I heard this lady say, if you wasn't talking to this girl, she was talking to her husband or boyfriend or somebody. If you wasn't talking to this girl, then we would have got here earlier enough to get the chicken. And I was like, my ears was like shocked, because I was like, oh, people out here, they trying it now. They really trying it over some chicken. But y'all, if you want some chicken, you can't be picky. I mean, because they had plenty of the frozen chicken over there, and you guys know I buy that all the time. They had plenty of it. I should have got a bag today. So I was like, oh, she trying it. And then I saw another lady, she was like all in my cart, like cutting her eye looking, and I was like, I know I had a lot of meat, but I have everything else. Anyway, I got the country style ribs. I got 2 of these, and these were high, y'all. They were $7.14. I think the other one may have been $8. Let's see, that's it for, oh no, it's not. I got 2 things of ice cream too. It's already in the freezer. $6.36 of the country style. You can put these in a crock pot. I have a recipe, I think by 6 sisters, with some barbecue sauce, or make your own barbecue sauce. Really simple. Here's the other cube steak. I should have picked up more of the cream of mushroom and cream of chicken, but as soon as somebody come like near me, y'all, I'm just like, I'm out. It's almost like I'm not sticking around, and this man was trying to talk, and I was like, I'm out. So he was like, it's getting crazy out here, ain't it? And I was like, yeah, and I kind of backed up, you know, politely. But I should have got some more. I should have, when I did that big haul, I should have got at least a whole case of these. They're 49 cents each. I don't think they carry cream of celery all the time. I think it maybe be a specialty thing, but I wish they did all the time. So I did get some Parmesan cheese, and then I should have got some icing, because I made a cake for them last night and that icing is gone. And I have 2 more, but I still have another, I think a whole week before JJ's birthday. So I did get some cake mix, but I didn't get in another haul, but I didn't get any icing. So they did have some organic ground beef, so I was happy about that. These I think are $5.59 or $5.99 each. I got them some more of these pizzas, because when I did my Instacart order, I didn't haul that, y'all. All they had was the 4 meat, and we like the regular pepperoni now. I did get Sasa some moo tubes, and I got a gallon of milk. I probably should have got another gallon so we don't have to go out anymore, because they go through that really quick, especially when Trailer's home. I know back in the day when JJ used to go through the milk so fast, y'all. Y'all, he almost went through a gallon of milk in a day. Yeah, in a day almost. When he was like, when they started drinking whole milk, I think 1. He might have been like 1.5. And I got some fruit rounds and some marshmallow stars. So we used to freeze it, and I think my dad used to freeze it too. Like, you can't freeze all of them. I think if it has more fat in it, you can freeze it. So 2% is fine, and I should have got another gallon to freeze. Yeah. So that is it. I think the governor's coming back on, y'all, to probably tell us to stay in the house for show. No, that was just a recap. And then, yeah, I got some ice cream. Let's see. 2 other cookies and cream, and that's it. So we should be good now. I am too lazy to. Is that all I got? That's all I got that cost that much? Good grief. I think my receipt fell on the floor. Yeah, that's it. Okay, y'all. So thanks so much for watching. You guys stay safe. Yeah, I don't want to focus. You guys stay safe and pray it up, guys. Bye-bye.